Morning, everybody. We're gonna have some fun today. We're going and doing something I can't tell you about yet, but Nancy's going. We got all kinds of people that are be coming with us. It's gonna be a heck of a day. So hang tight, watch, and it's gonna be crazy. Can't wait to see this. Let's go find them. I think they're all here. At least some of them are here. The rest of them are in Indianapolis. But this is Mackenzie. Are you excited about today?
Can't
like
wait.
So excited?
I'm so excited.
Can you believe it? Laura is Miss Enthusiasm, like Miss Enthusiasm, right?
Oh yeah.
And there's Zach. And he's been guessing like 70 million guesses.
If I had to sum them up in one word, I would say crazy.
Yeah,
and
that would work.
Lord only knows what we're going to be doing today, so I'm a little scared.
He's pretty over the top. He's pretty hyped up, so we'll see if it lives up to what he's acting like it's gonna be.
I'm highly impatient. Like, let's go.
Our marketing officer has put together a massive goal for his team, and if they accomplish that goal, he was going to take them on a pretty amazing surprise without any of them knowing what they're doing. So today, they're actually taking off here in about 15 minutes, and they're headed to do some skydiving.
I got my snacks.
Have your snacks.
Alright guys, have fun.
Thank you.
I actually need something. I'll be right back.
Yesterday, 1854.
What the heck? Dude, there's a giant stain in this mini.
I know, because they hadn't cleaned it. I don't know. Don't record it.
Can we get the back
Very dirty.
smaller?
Alright, hold on.
Oh dear Lord.
Yeah!
Practicing.
Practice
Yes,
laps. What's your name?
Crystal.
Crystal, I'm Dylan. Let's go.
Nice to meet you,
Come on.
Dylan.
You missed it. I just offered the manager of this place an opportunity to go with us, and she wouldn't do it. It's so fun. How cool is that? A random person gets in and goes with us. They still don't know where they're going. We've picked up 2 new bodies, Jean and Jill.
We've been talking quite a bit about this day, and we think it's going to be terrifying. And neither of us like surprises, so we're not happy about it.
Originally thought it was going to be skydiving, but now I don't think he'll make us jump out of a plane.
Skydiving,
Oh my gosh.
All of us together!
Look at Jean's face.
I've never actually wanted to do this. Like all the people who say they want to go skydiving, I've never once said that.
Likely most dangerous element would be that you don't get your feet on the landing right and you break a leg. That'd be the actual fall itself.
Great, Dylan.
We're going to go out, we're going to take it back, you're going to watch a video.
Yep.
Fill out some waivers and paperwork, then you'll bring that back in here, and then we'll take care of getting you registered and getting money and everything. So
Perfect.
Well, it's been good. Let's push every day to the limit.
I love you, Jordan. You have my permission to murder Dylan.
I'm doing wonderful. What are you doing here?
I'm here with Strategic Wealth Designers for a company outing, but the special days and 2 days is my birthday.